How to boost your Microsoft reward points. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily boost up your Microsoft reward points. So Microsoft offers you certain reward points based on how you use their services, like their browser, their web browser like Microsoft Edge, the searches you make, and many more. So these kind of activities help you earn points. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it quickly and more efficiently. First thing you want to do is open up your Chrome web browser and click on the plus icon to open up a new tab. Now from here you want to click on the puzzle icon to open up your extensions. Click on manage extensions, and from here you want to visit the Chrome web store. So once you get to the Chrome web store, you want to search for Bing Auto Search and hit enter. So you will get this option at the very first, automate your Bing searches. Click right here, and then from here you want to click on add to Chrome. So just click on it and then click on add extension. So it will start downloading the extension and it will be added to your browser. So from here you want to head over to your Microsoft reward points and click on points breakdown. Now from here you want to click on PC search. So once you get here, what you want to do is click on your extension and click on it. From here you want to click on accept, and for your top searches you can set from 1 to 30. So you can set your searches according to your need. For PC searches, you can keep it 30. For mobile searches, you can keep it 5. And on your minimum value, you can set 1. And make sure that you turn this on. Close tab once completed. And then click on Start Activities. And then from here, you can click on Start Search. So what this will do is, within some seconds, it will start doing the searches and your Microsoft reward points will start increasing here. So once this is done, once your activity is done, you can just stop this and go ahead and click on your automate. It will start searching for 30 seconds and then it will stop. So you can manually stop it as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.